So a little bit more about some of the key benefits for e-commerce companies like yourselves. I wanted to dive in a little bit more into abandoned carts because this is something that we see is super successful with the e-commerce industry, and I'm sure something that you all would love to take advantage of as well. So we have the ability to send abandoned cart push notifications and work alongside your current processes as well, right? So, and by abandoned cart, what I mean by that is, as you can see on the left here, let's say a customer adds a product to their cart, but may not complete that checkout, right? For example, we have like a wetsuit here for our surf shop that someone has added to their cart, but is just for whatever reason not checked out. 1 hour later, we can send them an abandoned cart push that says, hey, did you forget to purchase this? Click here to finish checking out. 24 hours later, we could send them another push notification saying, hey, we're still waiting on you. Here's 10% to persuade you to complete this order with this small discount, right? People really will draw to that and will appreciate that you're able to not only pull in the image of the cart of the cart that they were building, of the images that they were looking at, but to offer them a discount code in the here and now. I mean, people are going to jump on that more so than they would with like an email, right? And then, you know, we optimize for also sending another push 72 hours after cart abandonment. You can also maybe bump that offer up. Maybe you offer them 15% or something like that. So this is all really easily done within the Pushnomi platform. This is a one-click activation. I know a lot of other push notification providers are able to do very similar types of things, but just wanted to give you all an idea of what abandoned carts might look like. So in order to really show you all what that might look like for our fake surf shop, let's say they're looking to implement a new abandoned cart push strategy as well. So let's say that they're getting about 10,000 monthly site visitors with a 1% site-wide conversion rate. Admittedly, 10,000 monthly site visitors is a little low to really take advantage of the benefits of push, but it's a nice round number. We'll just use that for now. So that would look like roughly about 100 orders placed, right? We know that the average cart abandonment rate is roughly 67%. Then we know that the order completion rate is closer to about 33%, right? So in terms of the amount of orders that were started but not completed due to cart abandonment, that would come to roughly 333 orders, right? Only 100 of those ended up being placed. So for the sake of this example, let's say that, you know, they implement web push abandoned carts and they're able to start getting a recovery rate of about 15%. That's about fairly typical for what we see. That's feasible for Pushnomi and our clients. So if that recovery rate is about 15%, web push is then able to recover an additional 50 orders of the original 333 that were started. And that brings our total order placed to 150. So therefore, web push was able to improve the site-wide conversion rate of this surf shop by 0.5% with virtually no extra lift. This is all automated for you. So just to give you an example from a numbers perspective, this is what this could look like for your website. So now that I've shown this to you, let's see a live example. So I want to take some time here and we'll go to our client Leather Up's website. You'll see in the top left here, I'll try and zoom in so you can all see that a little bit better, but Leather Up is wanting to show notifications. So I'll go ahead and click allow, and we'll find a nice motorcycle jacket that I'll add to my cart and then ultimately abandon. I think this one looks nice here. Go ahead and just add that to my cart. Over here on the right, you'll see it's on my cart here. So we're just going to go ahead and just click continue shopping, and we'll just abandon that for now. And in a few minutes here, we'll hopefully receive our abandoned cart push. So we'll just continue to move forward here. So some additional main benefits for e-commerce companies that I wanted to share with you all. Flash sales. Flash sales are super effective with our clients. You know, holiday flash sales are also very, very beneficial. I know about a year ago, we signed up a sunglasses company about a month before the 4th of July. And they were running some flash sales to promote their sunglasses for the summertime and everything. And I remember we made them about $9,000 that weekend alone, just for these browser-based push notifications promoting this flash sale. So very, very effective. Regular coupon codes, right? I'm sure you all are running coupon codes for your stores. Those can be super effective. And that's how you're going to obtain significantly more revenue than like an abandoned cart campaign, right? So by using Pushnomi's machine learning capabilities, which we'll touch on in a little bit here, we can send out regular promotional messages to the best subscriber at the best time. So you're capturing them at the 100% optimized time where they're ready to strike and ready to make that order. You're also able to announce new product updates, right? So anytime you have a new SKU that you add to your store, whether it's back in stock for the first time in a little while or brand new to the site, you can announce that to your customers. Here in the middle, you'll see, hey, like this is a brand new line of surf wax for our surfer customers, right? Great for any surfboard. You know, check it out next time you're planning your next beach trip. Buy now. Push is also great for upselling. If you have products that are great for upselling or last minute things that you want to add to your cart, we can help boost that by delivering these messages prior to you shipping orders out. And then finally, obviously, great for reorder reminders as well. So if you have something that people need to buy regularly every few weeks or so, it's a great way to increase repeat business through push. You know, you can set it up so that it's sent out X number of days after a purchase is made, so that you can get a push automatically reminding them to place that order again, right then and there. They can just hit click, takes them right to your store, boom. So